How are you? Welcome to my channel. My channel is called Natalie with Art. We're going to paint some flowers today because it's supposed to be spring, so let's paint some flowers. This is what we're going to use to paint them on, so it might be a little experiment because I haven't painted on parchment paper before, but we'll find out how it goes so we can learn with me. Okay, coming up next, painting flowers. So this is what we're going to use today. Green, green. It's a little out of focus, but anyway, green, orange, and warm white. It's called. It's kind of like a creamy color. And this is what we're going to paint, but don't look yet. So let's start painting. Started putting down the orange and the cream color first, making the petals, creating the petals. I don't know really how it's going to look like. I just go with the flow. The background is colored with greens when dabbed with paper towel to have the illusion of watercolor. Because of the kind of paper I used, it took a while to dry, so I decided to use the heat gun to speed it up a bit. That way it wouldn't mix the other colors with the painting that I already did. Get a little closer here. Now I'm just putting some more white in, some more light. That down. Starting with the darker green and the lighter green, just to put some more shading around it and just create the illusion of foliage. Just using a little smaller brush, and then I'm putting some, again using the white, just put some highlights in, give it some more three-dimensional look, I guess, but all just loose. There's no real concept. It's just constantly looking at the painting and trying to figure out where to put the light and the shading. To put some details in with a fine little brush with black. And there you have it, all finished. So while I was painting, this was in the oven. It's a vegan moussaka, Greek dish. Eggplant, because when I was doing my live stream last time, I was painting an eggplant and I thought I was doing a good job. Anyway, when I wanted to upload it, I was uploading, I was done, so it was loading it up again, and I deleted that one, and I deleted both of them. So now I don't have that video. Pretty mad. All that hour I spent, gone. Anyway, maybe I have to do another one pretty soon. Okay? So, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure you subscribe, like and share, and check out those links below. Facebook page, Instagram, my Patreon page, and on and on. And you can buy my stuff as well. There's also links down there, so yeah, go check it out. See you guys next time. Bye.